Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss in detail about the instruction set architecture. I am Dr. G. Nirmala, Associate Professor at Department of CSE, RMD Engineering College. Instruction means any command that is given to the computer is called as an instruction. A program is a collection of instruction, list of instruction given to the computer. It can store the information, data, images, files, videos. The computer will process the information, store according to the instruction in the program. How does a computer look like? A computer look like, this is actually the photography of a computer, what is actually available inside the desktop. When we remove the lid, we will have the central processing unit, memory unit, hard disk. Now the memory unit and the hard disk will transfer the data. Hard disk is a permanent storage or secondary memory. It is used for storing the data for future reference. It is connected with the computer. It is a separate device, whereas main memory is used for taking the operating system routines, taking the program execution that is available in the memory. So memory stores the programs and data. It gets destroyed when the computer is powered off. It is not permanent memory. Hard disk is a permanent memory. Then it makes a full system. So we are having memory, hard disk, computer. Computer comprises of input or output devices. Through the input output devices, we can transfer the data. The keyboard and the mouse are acting as an input device, whereas a monitor and printer are available as an output device. So a feature of an electronic computer is similar to that of a brain. The various features we can consider are intelligence, speech of basic calculations, then how much it is work. Computers are ultra fast and they are ultra dumb. That is the purpose. So we are comparing the human brain with the computer. How to instruct a computer? A program is a collection of instructions. So the instructions are converted into machine understandable form by the compiler. Then it is executed and produce the output. This is actually the schematic diagram representing how a program or how an instruction is converted into a output. What can a computer can understand? A computer can clearly not understand the instructions of the form. It can multiply the two matrices or any job you are giving, it will not understand. So you have to give it in the form of a computer language. You have to give it in the form of an instruction, right? So the language of the instructions are human can understand. There are complicated sentences. Computer can understand only simple instruction. The semantics of all the instructions supported by the processor is known as the instruction set architecture. Instruction set architecture differs from one system to another system based on the memory capacity of the register that is available. So this includes the semantics of the instruction themselves along with their operands and the interfaces with the peripheral devices. What are the important features of ISA? Example of instruction in an ISA is arithmetic instructions. We are having add, sub, multiply, divide. These are basic arithmetic instructions. Logical instructions are and or not, like that. Then data transfer instructions are movement instructions. They will move from the register to the memory or from the memory to the IO devices. Like that, it will transfer the data. It does not do any calculation. It will just move the data. Completely, it should be able to implement all the programs that the user wants to write. That is a feature of an ISA. It should be concise. It should be generic. It should be very simple. It should not be complicated. It should be very easy to follow the instruction. So these are the features of the instruction set architecture. The important question that have to be answered are how many instructions should we have? That depends upon the processor. What they should do, how complicated they should be. So that is identified by two steps. One is called as a RISC and the CISC. RISC is a reduced instruction set computer and CISC is a complex instruction set computer. So these are the two criteria we are classifying the instruction set architecture. We will discuss the next in the RISC versus CISC in the next class. Thank you.